Hello, hi. My name is Rajat Talesa and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, till now we have covered a lot of things in Rails and React. We have covered some series, some products, and some standalone videos also. So now what I'm thinking is because I'll be getting less time in next couple of months, I'm currently working on a particular job that I've just committed to. And second, I am creating a React course for a third party company, not for my YouTube channel. So I'll get a bit busy, and I know that I won't be able to focus fully on the YouTube channel, but I still want to keep creating content because that's the way I learn new things. So what I'm thinking is now I'll start covering various gems and trades. We have already covered something like device, money, uh, and various other gems. So now we will cover a lot of these gems in detail. You'll see some gems which I have already taught you, uh, and some really new gems, a lot more actually, really new gems. So the idea is pretty simple. Those videos will be standalone. You can view it at your own pace. You won't have to. You can view it like while watching dinner, also something like that. You don't need to create that project in parallel to learn those things. You just need to know, okay, this is a jam which I can use, and these are the steps that I can perform to use this gem whenever I want to use it in any particular project. So knowing gems is much more important than actually using them right now, even if you don't need it, right? So the idea is pretty simple. You don't have to work on these videos in parallel with me. You just have to view them, and that's it. And that's what my plan is. Now, if you have some specific gems in your mind, feel free to comment. There are two types of gems. One that you want me to cover because they were hard, you were not able to understand them, something like that. And second, mention all the gems that you have used so that I can cross verify with my list that okay, I'm not missing something. If I'm missing, I'll check through your list also and cover up those gems also. So that's what my plan is. Do not let me know what do you think, and if you have any other suggestions for any other series, do let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.